Making a bank deposit. Some features discussed in this video are not available in all the editions of MaxxTraxx. Please visit scottsystems.com for comparisons between the different versions. Anytime a repair order or parts counter invoice is paid, you post an accounts receivable payment or accept non-invoiced payments. That money is posted in the 11,000 undeposited funds GL account. That money in the 11,000 account then needs to be deposited in your bank account and recorded in MaxxTraxx. This video will review that process. First, click the Banking drop-down, then click the Make Bank Deposit button. Next, highlight the bank that we will be depositing the funds to and click the Select button. The screen that opens will be the list of checks and credit card transactions ready to process. Note that the checks and various card transactions are all grouped together. Click in the Select column to tag the transaction for deposit, or click the Select All button. Once the items for deposit have been selected, the totals at the lower right corner of the screen will reflect those amounts. Next, we'll deposit our cash, if any. MaxxTraxx keeps track of cash in and out of the cash drawer, and that amount is displayed here. If the cash drop was reviewed in the daily sales report, put that amount here. For more information about that report, please see our video titled Daily Sales and Cash Drawer Report. I keep $300 in my cash drawer for making change and outside purchases, so we'll deposit the balance here. Click the Next button when you're finished. The deposit slip screen will display each transaction that was tagged in the previous window. Verify that the date and bank are correct, and add a memo statement if desired. Click the Post and Close button to confirm the deposit. If multiple deposits are being done, click the Post and Add Another button. We are given an option to print the deposit slip. We can print a basic deposit slip or a more detailed slip with transaction information if preferred. Either deposit slip can be reprinted later from the bank register. If multiple deposits are being done, it is best practice to do each day separately. Some shops even make separate deposits for checks, credit cards, and cash. In any scenario, make sure the deposits done in MaxxTraxx are the same as what you actually deposit in the bank. We hope you found the preceding video helpful. MaxxTraxx team members are readily available to provide personal assistance via several methods as shown here, Monday through Friday, 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Time. Thank you for watching.